Hi, I'm Edith and I'm a Case Supervisor at Autism Partnership Singapore. During my time here as a supervisor, I've seen and met many parents getting anxious when it's time for their child to go to school. And oftentimes, they're worried that their child's unable to learn in school. So a common question that parents often ask is, how can I help my child and help them be ready for school? Here at AP, apart from preparing a child for school, we believe that it is more important for them to enjoy the learning process so that we can help develop them to be independent learners. So a lot of times, children with autism may find it challenging to adapt and learn in a school environment, and this is due to their lack of learning skills. So we need to develop a set of foundational skills which we call learning how to learn. Now, these are skills that children need in order for them to learn in a natural environment, or in a school setting, and across different teachers. One example of learning how to learn skill is being able to wait, and that's something we do in our daily lives. At times, children have to wait in class while the teacher distributes teaching materials, or they have to queue up at the canteen waiting to get their food.
I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to show you what to color, and then later you have to do the same, okay? I'm going to do a color, like this. The color with yellow. You're waiting so nicely. Here you go.
Paying attention is another important learning how to learn skills. Children with autism sometimes find it challenging to do so because of their short attention span. They may find it hard to sit down or listen to a teacher teach, and this makes it very difficult for them to answer questions and carry out tasks later on. Children need to learn how to pay good attention in order for them to learn effectively in school.
After the dinner with family, we can have mooncakes together. And finally, sometimes we eat different fruits.
With good learning how to learn skills, children can be independent learners and enjoy their learning experience. So come join us on November 9 at the York Hotel as I share about the critical skills the child needs to be an independent learner.